Hi guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Today we share unboxing and hand-on review. Honor Magic 8 Pro. Let's have a look. So open the box and let's see the phone. Will surprising for me. Wow, great packing. I like it. So Yun Rape first. Amazing look, the chipset smartphone really. So I start the phone. USB cable with heavy-duty charge and creamy silicone pouch. That's great. So the three colors are available with beautiful design with super side edge. So you know, this Honor smartphone used the Magic 10 operating system. So next and next. Next. Yes, got it. The Great 10 Magic operating system is running. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World, or thanks for watching.